Ito ang latest chika mga kamarites. Donnie Pangilinan, tinitreasure niya raw ang mga nangyari sa kanila ng dating ka-love team. Pero move on, ito nga ang kanyang sinabi. Hindi porket may history kayo, ibig sabihin kayo na ang hanggang dulo. Some people are meant to be chapters, not the whole story. Naging parte lang siya ng growth mo, ng healing mo, ng mga lessons na humubog sa'yo, but that doesn't automatically mean sila na ang forever mo. History is a memory, not a promise. Oo, may mga alaala, may tawanan, iyakan, late night talks, mga plano na akala mo totoo at pangmatagalan. Pero hindi dahil naging maganda o naging malalim ang pinagsamahan, obligado ko nang ipilit ang future. Minsan kumakapit tayo hindi dahil tama pa, kundi dahil pamilyar. Because it's comfortable, because what we're used to, pero comfort doesn't always mean destiny. Minsan iniisip natin ang dami na naming pinagdaanan as if sapat na yon para magstay. Pero hindi lahat ng pinagsamahan ay meant ituloy. Hindi lahat ng minahal ay meant panghabang buhay. Some people were sent to teach you, not to keep you. At hindi kabawasan sa pagmamahal ang pagpili na umalis. Hindi ka masamang tao for choosing peace over history. Growth sometimes means accepting na tapos na ang role nila sa buhay mo. You can be grateful for what you had without trying to bring it back. And you can treasure the memories without reopening the same chapter. Kasi minsan may past ay reminder lang kung gaano ka na kalayo, hindi invitation para bumalik. And just because someone was part of your yesterday doesn't mean they're meant to be part of your tomorrow. At si Bel, ang tomorrow ko. And forever.